be and where all the tractors were and
Oh
all that.
yeah.
All gone.
Yep. Do you
Well, it's
notice though?
interesting that garage that we put the pit in to work on cars.
Yeah.
It looks like it's expanded towards Forbridge Road. I think it was more rectangular in the other direction, unless it was totally rebuilt.
Yeah.
Bernie, looks like the roof kind of matches the roof on the house, and so
Yeah.
and so maybe he's got parking for his people there. Frankie, can you do a street view?
Yeah. So what did they do? How did they make that? They fill that all in?
Well, we don't know. You see, there's two cars parked there, the white one and then a darker one. If you look just to the right of the darker one there, between the area between the darker car and the side of the house, it looks like the road might go down there, might pitch down.
I think.
Yeah.
There's a downward.
Roofing.
Why?
Why? What do you mean, why, Frank?
Did you ever fall off? Did you ever fall off?
No.
Called
Oh,
parkour today.
Look at the what are those telephone lines or utilities?
See Frankie, and I can see the map. So I'm going to give Mom this.
Yeah. Yeah.
But we lived in, as they say, individual house, and the house to the right, as you're looking at it, that was the house that my parents rented because it was bigger and they got more money for it.
Oh.